So my mother's birthday is coming up, and this year I was thinking I'm going to make her a very simple and elegant dovetail box. Let me show you what I'm thinking. I'm planning to make a box similar to this one that I've made in the past. It's made out of African rosewood, also known as babinga, and some wormy maple. The lid slides in and out, and the sides are joined with very simple dovetails. Let's get to it. So I've got my stock ready to go. I've got 1/4 inch African rosewood. That'll make nice sides. And then I've got some wormy maple that I'm going to try and incorporate that worminess into the top and maybe a little bit on the inside for the bottom. So the box is done, and I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I think it's going to make a nice gift. I put a couple more coats of shellac on here, followed by some paste wax. One thing I changed that I wasn't planning on doing was I added this extra piece to the top. And it's actually just a cut off from the side where I cut it down to make room for the top to slide in. I felt like this just wasn't enough material to grab a hold of and open. It opened just fine, it slides nicely, but that extra piece just makes it a lot easier. I'm excited to give this to my mother. I figure I'll put a little extra something on the inside. I'm sure she'll appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know if you have any thoughts about things I can do better next time. I always enjoy the feedback. Thanks again.